What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll take you through Waking the Grid in Arc Raiders. This one takes place in Spaceport and will be visiting 3 different locations. I'd recommend bringing a number of stims. Head across to Spaceport during any map condition, spawning in, you're hoping for a western spawn, as we'll be starting by the departure building. But first, you'll need to make your way into one of these little guard towers, for which there's quite a few. Up here is 1, 2, further down here, 3, number 4, and I'm pretty sure that's about it. As we're heading to the departure building next, this one is the one I'll be heading to. Once you've made your way towards any guard tower, find your way up and into this top room, where you'll find just inside, by one of the tables, in this case it's on the left side, I can activate the security sensors. It might be in a slightly different spot upstairs. Then we'll need to head into the departure building into a secret little room over here. The easiest way is to head in through the back, so this back area here, and if you came through the front, just make your way towards this back section. There's the little locker loot room over there, and over towards the right side here, through this direction, you'll find a hidden away little room here. Opening the map, this is my location, and just inside of here, to the right, you'll find another one of these consoles. We can then interact, and it ticks off the second part of this quest. If you're instead upstairs, you'll find a zip line leading you straight down over on the southern side over here, taking you straight down to that back piece. Then you'll need to make your way towards the arrival building, where on the car park side, there's a left and a right room that you'll need to breach into. The southern one, or the right one if you're looking from the car park, is the one that we need to breach into. If you choose to enter the arrival building from the spaceport side, the center of the map, you'll need to head in and towards your left, where you'll find a breachable door there too. Either ways, inside of here, on the far west side, you'll find a bunch of computers lit up we can interact with, and when we're done, we've ticked off the last part of this quest. All we need to do now is get out of here, and we're done. And handing in the quest, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.